Okay, so friends, today we'll discuss another interesting topics like what are the new features introduced in Java 17. Uh, Eventually, we'll discuss all about it, and it will help on uh, cover some Java related questions, what are the Java 17 introduces. Mainly, currently, what are the interviews are going on? They are asking about that. So I thought it will be a nice topic. Okay, so as we know, like it's a long-term support release from Oracle. It modernizes the Java language, then improves the coding style, and Java safety implementations are there. So what benefits will get from it? Like when they are releasing a new version, definitely they think about it like what are the new things we are giving. So the below things the things like practice to write functional style codes, and it will have like exact code with only necessary characteristics and lines. So less coding, and obviously it will increase the clarity of the code, and it will be easy to read, like it will increases the readability, and it will reduces the boilerplate codes, so unnecessary codes will not be there, uh, and improves the maintainability, or like easy to understand, so it will be maintaining that code will be more easy, and obviously less code, less bug, so it will decrease the bug number of bugs. So what are the key features we will have here with this Java 17? We'll discuss like one by one. Later on, we have some uh, main enhancements. Like I have bold it out here. So we'll discuss it, and this is the list. What are the things they have included here? So it is JEP. It is like Java enhancement proposals. You can say like it is a indexing kind of thing. It will be easy to track what are the changes happened in which releases and all. So what is the feature? First one is the restores always strict floating point semantics. This is a final one. Uh, and next one is JEP 356, which is really needed in day-to-day developments. That is enhanced pseudo-random number generators. They have some algorithm updates here. They have the random number generation is more easy. So the next one is JEP 382. That is new Mac OS rendering pipelines. That is a final status. So final means like it will be finalized, and it is not a proposed one. It is finalized and it is introduced properly. And next one is JEP 391. So that is Mac OS AA RCH 64 port, and this is also final. And then the next one is JEP 398. This is actually removal of applet APIs, so that is deprecated, and they are completely removing it from Java 17 onwards. Will not get the applet one. So applet, for designing UI and all, that was used earlier. Also, they have deprecated the applet API. And the next one is JEP 403. It is internal JDK encapsulations. It is also final. So they have strongly encapsulates the JDK. Then next set is like pattern matching for switch. is preview one, and the JEP 407 they have removed that RMI activations, and then shield class is the most important changes here. Shield class, they have used a class like shield one. We'll discuss it later. Then JEP 410 remove experimental AOT and JIT compiler. So they have removed this compiler from 17 like Java. JEP 411 deprecate security manager for removal. This is deprecated. Okay. Then another set is like JEP 412 foreign function and memory API incubator. This is an incubator. This is not final one. And JEP 414 or like vector API second incubator like this one also status is incubator, that means they are under observation. And JEP 415 context specific serialization of filters. This is the final one. Okay, as I told, I'll discuss some important only features. First we'll go for shield classes, JEP 409. What it happened like restricts which classes can extend a class or implement an interface. So when we are defining one class, we are mentioning here like what are the class can extend this class and what are the interfaces can implement. So we are predefining it. It improves the security and domain modeling, like no other classes can extend or no other interfaces can implement this class. So we are specifying like this is the class and these are the classes only can extend it or implement it. So the syntax will be like public shield class safe, like this example I have taken it here. This will permit circle and rectangle. What does it mean? Like it is a shield class shape which will permits only the circle and rectangle. The circle class and the rectangle class only can extend this class and no other class can extend this. Like final class circle extends shape and final class rectangle extends shape. So these two class only can extend this shape class. We can inside that we can write our code, but the extension will happen only for these two classes. So another important feature is like pattern matching for switch. This in preview states. It allows type patterns inside switch. So inside switch, earlier what happened, like inside switch we mentioned a similar kind of thing, and for each scenario we are doing our codes. So it reduces instance of checks and casting. Here the example, like switch object, inside that we are passing an object. Then first case is an integer I. See, we are doing some task like start until I into 2, and the second case is string 1. Then we are doing our stop here, and finally is the default one. So we are passing different type of um, cases here. Like in each case is different. Like integer, first case is for integer, and second case is for string. So it will search for that kind of cases. And next one is enhanced random number generators. This is JEP 356. Introduce the new random generator interface with multiple high quality random number generator algorithms, as I told earlier. So they have some solid algorithms introduced here, and the random generation of random numbers will be more solid. So the example is like random number generator random equal to random generator dot get default, and then system dot print random next int 100. So it will generate random numbers for us. It's like it will work like the previous one, but it will be more the algorithms to generate random numbers will be more solid. Like they are having good algorithms, improvised algorithms here. So next one is strong encapsulation of JDK internal. Then the internal JDK page are no longer accessible by default, so we cannot access the internal page. Uh, so it encourages use of supported public APIs. So we can use the public APIs, not the internal APIs. What will happen? Like it will improve the security and the maintainability. Okay, so as we cannot access the internal JDK APIs, so it will be more secure. The JDK will be more secure. So for JNI, they have foreign function and memory APIs, provides a safer alternative to JNI, and enables Java to interact with native libraries. So when we are using C, C++ codes and all, then that case we are using JNI, right? Java native interfaces. So it will up like JNI. This API will help us to um, write the foreign functions and memories. So when we have, suppose we have some functionality written in C, some native codes. So from Java, how to interact with that? So the answer was like JNI, right? By using JNI, we can have that some libraries. They have, suppose some companies they are having their own libraries written in C to analyze images, to analyze videos, and all those things, right? So those things we how to, like Java directly we cannot access those C libraries, right? So JNI was the interactive from Java side, which will help us to interact with those native APIs, native libraries. So those things will happen by foreign functions and memories APIs. These are the new APIs introduced. So another one is the vector API. It will enable SIMD, like single instruction multiple data operations, and improves performance for mathematical and data processing workloads. Uh, this one also is incubator state. It is not finalized. The next one is the context specific deserialization filters. This is like improves the security during Java object deserialization. It will be helpful here when we are having one serialized data and we are deserializing that. So that will be it will be a filter to deserialize, and it will more secure. So allows filters to be selected dynamically. This is another one. It is on the like floating point calculations now consistently follow IEEE standards. So this will be more professional and more standardized one. Like when you do some documentation or some, it's a standard IEEE standard. We'll discuss in another topic. Um, so these are the IEEE rules. It will be eliminates platform dependent behaviors. Okay, so here it will be improved for like the platform dependencies. So these are the internal things. They will not ask much about this in interviews. So I have not mentioned it elaborately. Just covering up this one, like what are the features are there. These are the Mac OS things for processors. I think as a developer, mm, no need of this for going for more details on this. This is also for Mac OS rendering pipelines. This is also for Apple Meta API instead of OpenGL for improved graphics performances. Applet API deprecated, like I told earlier, also marks Java applet for future removal since they are obsolete. We are not using it now. RMA activation also, so removes the obsolete RMA activation mechanisms. Those are remote method invocation. We use the RMA, right? Uh, so those are will be obsolete now. So these compiler things, JIT compiler and AOIT compilation tools, they are just removing it, and they are deprecating that security manager due to limited modern use and maintenance costs. So they are removing it. And here are few questions which are asked in interviews uh, regarding this Java 17. We'll have a separate videos on that, like explaining some interview questions and answers. So these type of questions will come, like what are the major new features introduced in Java 17? What are the shield classes? What is the implementation? How will be the shield class implementation? Like example and all. How are they differ from final classes? We have the final classes like the same class, like final class will not be um, extend further, right? So shield class is like it specifies few classes. If final class, then we cannot extend it, but in shield class we can extend it specifically. Explain pattern matching for switch. Why was the security manager deprecated? What is the foreign function and memory API? What is the vector API? What is the strong encapsulation of JDK internals? Why were applet removed? Applets are very heavy, so they have removed it. And nowadays also a lot of nice technologies came up for UI and all. So applet is not much useful here now. And also they can ask for the random generator APIs. And why is Java 17 considered unimportant and LTS releases? So it's a major release from Oracle, and when any major release came, so the support also required, right? So the long-term support is here for Java 17. If you use the Java 17, so you can get the long-term support from Oracle. Thank you. This is the topic we covered for Java 17. We'll discuss some more topics in next video. Thank you.